Good morning, children. Welcome to the math session. Today, I am going to solve the exercise number 7.3 from practical geometry. Practical geometry exercise 7 point. So already we have constructed 7.1 and 7.2. Now I am taking the exercise number 7.3. 7.3, the first main. So only one main is there. Question number 1. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Construct the following quadrilaterals. Okay, here question number 1. Quadrilateral is M-O-R-E. M-O-R-E is there. Okay, let's give some values. The values are MO is equal to 6 centimeter. MO is equal to 6 centimeter. OR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. OR is equal to 4.5 centimeter. Angle M is equal to 60. Angle M is equal to 60 degree. Angle O is equal to 105 degree. Angle O is equal to 105 degree. And angle R is equal to, that is also 105 degree. Angle R is also 105. Correct? So let us take one rough diagram. This is our rough quadrilateral. So let us start with M-O-R-E. M-O-R-E. Why I am telling like this? So here OR is there. OR is how much? 4.5. So just to set up, you just take the side should be the base of quadrilateral. Okay. Next, OR is finished. Angle O is how much? 105 degree. Angle R is also 105 degree. This is your rough diagram, not exact diagram. Next, MO is there. What is the MO length? 6 centimeter. Clear, children? MO is equal to RE, angle 105. This is also angle 105. Let us construct with instruments. Okay, first one. Take a scale. Draw a straight line of length 4.5 centimeter. Okay, to take as OR. OR is how much? 4.5 centimeter. Later on, take a protractor. Take a protractor. Keep down O. Take a protractor. Keep down O. So start on angles 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. This is 105. So draw on straight line. Okay. This is how much? 105 degree. So start pointing angle in this direction. Clear children? Next. So give down angle R. Start pointing from here. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90, 100. This is 105. Correct? Later on, draw on straight line. What is the angle? 105 degree in this direction. And next, take a compass. So the length is how much? 6 centimeters there. What is the length? 6 centimeter. So take the compass of the length 6 centimeter. Keep down point O. Cut the arc. Keep down point R. Cut one arc. So the length is 6.5. That's also 6.5. This length is how much? 6.5 centimeter. This is also 6.5 centimeter. Later on, join both the points. So this is your MORE, required quadrilateral along with the measurements. So construct the quadrilateral children. Okay children, let us solve the question number 2. Okay, I love this. Construct the quadrilateral PLAN. So MOR is there. Cancel it. PLAN. So here the given things are PL is equal to 4 centimeter. PL is equal to 4 centimeter. LA is equal to 6.5 centimeter. 6.5 centimeter. Angle P is equal to 90 degree. Angle P is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to 110 degree. Angle A is equal to 110 degree. Angle N is equal to 85 degree. Angle N is equal to 85 degree. Let us construct the diagram. Okay. So P A. So PL is there, angle P as well as, okay, how to write this? PL is there as the angle LA is there, angle L is not given, but angle P is given. Angle P is 90 degree as well as angle A is 110 degree, angle N is 85 degree. So let us take like this P L A N. So PL is how much? 4 centimeter, we can take it as the base. LA is 6.5 centimeter. Angle P is equal to 90 degree. Angle A is equal to 110 degree. Angle N is equal to 85 degree. Correct children? Okay, how to do this? First one, 90 degree is there, 110, 85. Correct? Okay, so let us take the base as What is that? 4 centimeter. Later on, PN. PN is how much? We don't know. But LA is 6.5 is there. So this also will become 6.5 centimeter. Otherwise, we can directly take 6.5 centimeter. There is no problem. Okay. Let us consider with the measurement. First one, draw the base. PL 4 centimeter. PL is 4 centimeter. Angle P is how much? 90 degree. Draw on straight line. So angle P is 90 degree. But from L to APL, otherwise L to A, how much is that one? 6.5 is there. So LP is 6.5. L into A 6.5, but angle L we don't know. Later on. So before this 6.5. So let us consider this one. 110 plus 90. 200 plus 85, 285, correct? So 285, 360 minus 100 plus 90, 200, 285, 285, 10 minus 5, 5. Next 16 minus 9, how much? 16 minus 9 is 75 degree. From here, we have to consider it as 75 degree. And later on, take a compass. The length is 6.5. Keep it on here. Cut this. 6.5 centimeter. This is PL A. And next term, take a protractor. What is the angle? 110 degree. So keep it on here. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, and this is 110. Join this point. Cleared up, and it will become 85 degree, and this is 110 degree. If we add all these, we should get 360 degree. Clear, children? This is 4 centimeter, 6.5. Later on, 75 degree means we got the 75 degree by using interior angle of a quadrilateral. Later on, this is 85 degree, and this is 110. This is from the geometrical instrument. Okay, children, in the next session I will solve the remaining 2 questions. If you have any doubts in the first session, I have given my number. Please call to that number. I will clear your doubt. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.